What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to buy the Aleo token on Coinbase. So for the first step, you will need to have a Coinbase account. If you don't have one yet, you can sign up through the link in the description and you will get 10 euros of Bitcoin for free. After that, you need to log into your account and then you will arrive at this homepage. As you can see, we have a wallet chart over here, but we also got a search bar option right on top, and we will click on that. And now we will fill in Aleo. And as you can see, the coin is over here. We will select it and now you will be brought to the token page. Here we have the price chart of the token and you can select different time frames on this chart. So you can see what the coin has done all the time before. Now for the next step, we need to select the option of buy, sell or convert. For this video we use the buy option. We would like to buy this coin. You can also select the order type. We have a one-time order option and a recurring buy option. The recurring buy option is basically an option to purchase automatically a certain amount of crypto on a daily, weekly or monthly purchase. For now we will leave it on a one-time order because we just want to buy a one-time order of this coin, and we select it and go back to the overview. Here you have to fill in the amount of euros or dollars you would like to spend on this coin. Let's say we would like to spend 1000 euros, and now you can see how much coins we get in return of it. After that you need to select the payment method over here. You can click on it and this list will be opened. As you can see, there are different payment methods available, but if your preferred payment method is not in this list, you can add a new one by clicking on this button down below. After that, we select the payment method and we will go back to the overview. Now you can click on review order to check your order. And in this section, I will show you guys a very useful hack to save yourself a lot of money while trading or purchasing crypto on Coinbase. As you can see, we are paying 38.37 euros on transaction fees. A transaction fee is basically a fee which you are paying to Coinbase for using their platform and trading or buying crypto. As you can see, we can use the Coinbase One subscription and you can try it out for free for 7 days and you won't pay any transaction fees on orders or purchases on this platform. Now, after those 7 days, you will just pay 25 euros a month, but that is basically nothing if you compare it to the amount we are already saving on one order. And you can trade up to 10k and you won't pay any transaction fees. Once you have decided to buy this coin, just click on the option buy now and these coins will be added automatically to my assets on the left side. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!